Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the unique and healthy recipes. Thank you so much for your support and for always coming back here. God bless you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a medicated soap. God bless you. We need PKO 300 ml of PKO. We need antiseptic. This is a brand of Dettol. We need water, and we also need caustic soda. We need soda ash, and that is glycerin, vitamin E, and then we need colorant. Now let's go into the video. Pour the water into the bowl. Going to divide the water into two parts, using a part to dissolve caustic soda, another part for the soda ash. So we pour our caustic soda, which is just 55 grams, and we stir to dissolve. Stir it very well to dissolve. After stirring and after dissolved, you allow it to cool down. You will notice that it's an exothermic reaction. Every time you dissolve caustic soda in water, heat is always released to the surrounding because it's an exothermic reaction. Please always take precaution because caustic soda is very corrosive. You don't allow it to touch your skin. So set the bowl aside and allow it to cool down. The remaining part of the water, use it to dissolve your soda ash. Soda ash is just 26 grams. 26 grams of soda ash. Here you are going to stir it for a longer time to allow it to dissolve. Then bring back the bowl with your caustic soda, and we're going to pour our PKO into it. We are using 300 ml of palm kernel oil. As you pour your PKO, you stir immediately because the process of saponification takes place immediately. You can see the soap is already forming. That is the soap forming. So you keep stirring or as you are pouring in the oil and stir it very, very well. Now there are two ways you can produce this soap. You can make cold process, you can make the hot process. What I'm doing today is the cold process, and it's still going to come out very fine and beautiful. So you stir very well. Make sure that the oil and the lime mixes up completely. So you just keep stirring and make sure that it's evenly, mixed. See, the viscosity is so beautiful and lovely. So continue to stir it very, very well. Now we are going to add the dissolved soda ash. Add the dissolved soda ash and stir again. Anytime you add an ingredient, you make sure you stir very well so that it can mix up completely. So you continue to stir the mixture. So there we have the lime, we have the PKO, and then the soda ash. Now I'm going to add my glycerine. It's about 10 ml of glycerine. You stir again. Keep on stirring so that each ingredient can mix up properly. Now we are going to add, after the glycerine, we add our vitamin E. We add our vitamin E and keep stirring. Stir it very, very well. Now you can take any brand of your antiseptic. What I'm using is just a variant of Dettol. It's one of my products, Anitol, and that is what we are going to add to this. So I added, about 62 ml of Dettol, of Anitol, which is just an antiseptic that will kill the germs, and I added it to the soap mixture, and also stir it again very well. You need to be very fast here and make sure that you mix it up thoroughly. Please Please like this video and share to your friends so that they can learn and make their own bathing soaps. And your comment below. If you have any question, you can bet I will get the answer across to you. I always respond to your comments and questions. God bless you. After you have mixed it this way, I have a white colorant I'm going to use for this soap today. So you dissolve the white colorant with little water and pour into the bowl and mix it thoroughly with the soap mixture. So dissolve the powdered colorant in a little water. Make sure you dissolve it very well so that you don't have lumps. So you pour it into the bowl where you have the soap mixture and you stir again. You keep stirring. Make sure that it mixes evenly. So you keep stirring. Welcome to my channel one more time. Please, are you new here? Or have you been watching my videos and you have not subscribed? Please do to subscribe today. Support our growth in this community. Bless you. Turn on the notification bell so that you always be the first to see our new videos. There are a lot of production videos that are lining up, coming, one after the other. So please subscribe, like this video, drop your comments below, and share to your friends. God bless you. So you keep on stirring, mixing it. You can see the soap is formed already. It's formed and the viscosity is wonderful because it's going to come out very strong. That is the kind of soap that will last. So I added my fragrance, even though the antiseptic has its own fragrance, but I added extra fragrance to it just so that it will be appealing when you are using it to have your bath. So you continue to mix again, mix properly. You can see the mixture looking like a dough, and then you get your soap mold ready. So you fill into your soap mold and you shape it the way you want it to be. Fill into the soap mold. You can improvise. If you don't have this type of silicone mold, you can improvise. You can use a takeaway plate, you can use a foil bowl, whatever that can give you the shape that you desire. So you can use it as an improvised mold. It's not compulsory that you must buy this mold. So you fill in and shape it very well. Okay. You're going to allow it to dry. It will not be time to dry because of the soda ash that is added in this mixture. It may not take more than 3 to 4 hours to dry. You can see that the soap is dried. And now we can remove it. It did not take up to 3 hours. So even though after removing it, you can still allow it to continue to dry. But now it's strong enough to unmold it. So you just remove it. You can get your soap for your house use. You can go into commercial production. It's very cheap and easy to make. There's no risk involved. Just make sure that you take the minor precautions into cognizance. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Please subscribe if you have not. Like this video and share it to your friends. I would like to hear from you. What video would you like to see next on my channel? Please, I will appreciate if you can suggest and give me video ideas. God bless you. Thank you. Have a lovely week.